Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Today I'm going out in a very long time because I need to go pick up some stuff for Christmas decoration and also Christmas baking, and it's still locked down in France. So yeah, I will just pick a few stuff and I will catch up with you later.
Angels singing, and I don't wanna miss a single thing. Don't wanna put an end to all this cheer, but as long as you're with me, it's always the time of the year. You make every day feel like it's Christmas. Never wanna stop feeling like the first thing on your wish list, right up at the top. I can't deny what I'm feeling inside. Nothing fake about the way you bring me to life. You make every day feel like it's Christmas. Every day that I'm with you. Look at the lights twinkling bright.
Don't be scared of that. Like, my skin is extremely sensitive, so if I just do this while I shower or something like this, then my skin turns out red, but it absolutely doesn't hurt. Let's pretend it's not here, okay? Anyway, right now I really want to do something that I haven't done in probably 3 years. I don't even remember, but I know it has been a very long time since I did that, and it's fake tanning. I've probably fake tan 2 or 3 times in my whole life. Like, it's really minimal, but I do remember that every single time I fake tan, I was like such in a good mood. I was like, it looks so good, I like it. Honestly, today it's raining, it's gray, I don't know, I felt like I looked tired, so I was like, you know what, all I want to do is just fake tanning, like just my face. Concerning fake tans, I don't think it's necessarily very complicated, or that it doesn't blend well, or that it takes hours to do, because when you buy a really good fake tan brand, then honestly it's kind of simple. I'm gonna show you right after the one I use. Every single time I did it, it took me like a few minutes. The one thing that does annoy me is that every single time I was wearing clear or white activewear and I was going to the gym and I was really like pouring sweat, and because you know, like, your activewear is kind of tight, so I was having like fake tan marks on my white sports bra, and I honestly was putting my activewear in the washing machine and it was still on. So I was like, that sucks. I don't want to do this anymore. So for all the girls who are watching this and who fake tan, if you do have any good brand of fake tanning or just tips so this doesn't happen on my activewear, then please let me know, because I do really want to fake tan more, but at the same time I don't want to ruin my activewear, so yeah, let me know. Okay, so the brand I'm using is Loving Tan, and I used it in dark, but this one, I think you have light, medium, dark, and extra dark. So it's like a mousse, and it honestly blends up so well. When I do this on my face, I kind of blend the fake tan with my hydrating cream. So you really want to do it kind of quick, because otherwise you're really going to have like marks of the tanning and it's not going to blend very well, and also you can have some marks on your hand. Now I'm just going to apply a second layer, but again, you really want to be quick. Also, I saw this kind of TikTok hack, or like TikTok videos where people were just putting more fake tan on the nose and here and just on the chin to look like contour, you know, like a permanent contour. I still look a bit red, but you just have to wait a few hours for the tan to develop, and then you have like a nice tanned color. In the end, I totally forgot to show you what I got yesterday, so let's do a mini haul. I bought some hemp seeds because I was running out of those, and these are amazing, omega-3 supplements and like natural, it's one of the best natural supplements that you can have. I highly recommend anyone to buy hemp seeds if you don't have these in your pantry. Okay, so then I got myself these two kind of hair supplements. So my hair are so thin at the moment. I lost so much hair compared to a few years ago and even compared to last year. So I did a color last year and I regretted it so much. It was not nice, not flattering. It completely damaged my hair. I just really need to get a haircut, but every single time I wanted to book like a haircut, we went into lockdown again. So hopefully in January I can get myself a haircut and we'll start this healthy hair journey. But yeah, I bought some supplements. Brewer Yeast is incredible. It makes my hair grow so much. It's just the best thing ever. And then I got this, which is with keratin and zinc and iron. I know if you're lacking iron and zinc, your hair can really like fall down, so I wanted to stop that. That's why I bought this. I also bought some agave syrup because I bake with that like crazy and I was just running out of it. Manuka honey, lemon and ginger herbal tea. I love this one. It's my favorite from Puka, and I got myself this Christmas tea because I thought it was cute. That's just it, but I tried it and it's super good. These so cute gift wraps. So it comes in two and I just love the pastel colors. I absolutely love buying gifting wraps, by the way. Then these are like mini gifting box, so you can just put like a message or chocolate, or I don't really know what I'm gonna put in it yet, but I know I'm just gonna make something for my family. So these are just napkins, but again it kind of matches the gifting wraps. Then I got this kind of really cute chocolate molds. I thought it would be super cool to make my own healthy chocolate and then I can give that for my family. So maybe it will be in the next video. Then I got some Christmas cards. I thought it would be so cute. Just write cute words to your family or friends, and I love to do that. So I need some like golden pencils now. And then I got like this kind of party wish in like a more aesthetic golden way, and this is like a more bright color and funny way, but I couldn't find the two things I was looking for. I was looking for a cookie cutter like Christmassy thing so I can make cookies, like Christmas cookies and gingerbread. I tried 4 different shops and there was nothing. So, and then I was looking for a big tripod for my bigger camera and I couldn't find the one I wanted. I mean, I found it, but it was out of stock everywhere. I don't know if it's because of like lockdown, Black Friday and now Christmas, but people are shopping like crazy. I don't really mind when I get it. The only thing that matters to me is that I do get it. So hopefully it will be back in stock within the few weeks or month and I can finally buy it. Okay guys, that's it for the mini haul. I think I will do more Christmas shopping within the next few days, but it will be in another video. Je vais prendre un chai latte en grande s'il vous plaît. Merci. Merci. I finally received some books from Word of Books and I'm really excited because I just can't wait to read them, highlight them, take notes. I love books. It's mostly business books and nutrition books, and I think that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cut this video right here because otherwise this vlog is just gonna turn into a weekly vlog, which I don't want to. So yeah, I'm just gonna read a book a bit and then I'm just gonna go straight to bed, and tomorrow I will do a bit of Christmas shopping, but more for baking because I really want to do a lot of cookies, like Christmas cookies and stuff like this, like healthy Christmas treats. So I need to buy a few stuff, but that will be for another video. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my upcoming content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.